Hi there, friends. Welcome to day 6 of the Food Revolution Summit. Today we are going to talk about how to optimize nutrition so that you get a variety of nutrients and feel energized and vibrant on a plant-based diet. I'm Nicole D'Andrea Russer, Food Revolution Network's dietitian and recipe developer. And today we are going to talk about and demonstrate how to make a creamy kale pineapple smoothie. Now, you've probably had a smoothie before. You may have even made your own smoothie in your kitchen, or perhaps you've just heard that smoothies are all the rage. It is true. Smoothies are fantastic because number one, they take minutes to make. Number two, you can easily make a meal out of a smoothie by adding a lot of different ingredients that pack a ton of nutrition in one little beverage. Number three, you can sneak in pesky ingredients that you may not otherwise enjoy eating, like bitter greens, into a smoothie and still make it taste delicious. Number four, you can also get a variety of nutrients, and some nutrients that may be difficult to get on a plant-based diet, like calcium or omega-3 fatty acids. We have a bonus with today's smoothie, and that we have prebiotic fiber in the banana, and then we have probiotics or healthy bacteria in the yogurt that we're about to add. Prebiotics and probiotics work together to create a healthy gut, which is so essential for optimal health. Now let's talk about the ingredients that are going to make this smoothie delicious and nutritious. As you can see, we have our mise en place ready, so we have all of the ingredients measured out and ready to go to make smoothie making simple and efficient. So let's start with the plant-based yogurt. You can find plant-based yogurt in the traditional dairy yogurt section in your grocery store. Plant-based yogurt is typically made with either cashews or almonds or coconut or soy. You want to look for sugar-free or unsweetened so that you avoid the added sugars. And you also want to make sure that it does indeed contain healthy probiotic bacteria or live cultures so that you're getting that benefit. So we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of plant-based yogurt. And now this, by the way, is going to make 2 servings of the creamy kale pineapple smoothie. Okay, so 1 cup of unsweetened plant-based yogurt. Then we have 2 handfuls of kale. So we've removed the rib, the fibrous rib in between that comes in the center of the kale, because that tends to be very bitter and fibrous. And we only have the leaves here. So we have 2 handfuls of kale. Leafy greens are so important to add to your diet every single day, and it's one of the most difficult things for most people to get. So incorporating them into a smoothie is a really easy way to disguise them and still get all of the benefits like calcium, magnesium, fiber, carotenoids, phytonutrients, all of this good stuff in leafy greens. So no matter which leafy greens you choose, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, spinach, they are all packed with nutrition. Okay, next we are going to add the banana. So we have 1 medium-sized banana. As I mentioned, bananas are a good source of prebiotic fiber. Prebiotic fiber works synergistically with the healthy probiotics in the yogurt to create a healthy gut. It's anti-inflammatory, it helps with our overall health and our long-term health. So it's really important to have fiber and probiotics for overall health. Next, we have pineapple. So 2 cups of cubed pineapple. This is what's going to disguise the bitterness of the kale. So with the pineapple, you can choose fresh or frozen or canned, whichever is accessible to you. This is canned pineapple. Whenever you decide to, or whenever you choose to use canned with any products, of course, you want to look for BPA free, so you're avoiding any of those plastic chemicals leaching into your food. And then also with pineapple, look for pineapple in its own juice. So you're not getting any added sugar with the pineapple. It's just the natural sugar from the pineapple. So you have 2 cups of pineapple that we're going to add to this. So I got some juice in there too. We're getting really full in our blender here. Also, just a note about frozen fruits and vegetables. If you have these fruits and vegetables, any fruits and vegetables local to you that are available, easily accessible and local, they are going to be the most nutrient dense. They're probably going to have the most flavor. But if you can't access certain fruits and vegetables locally, Frozen is a wonderful option. What happens through the freezing process is the fruits and vegetables are harvested and then they're frozen immediately. And this helps to retain both their nutrition and their flavor. So don't shy away from frozen. It's a great option. Next, we have chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium. So we're adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to the smoothie. It's a great idea to add seeds to your diet daily, and a smoothie is a great way to do that. Finally, we have water, the liquid that's going to help to run the smoothie, the blender run smoothly. We have 1 cup of water that we're going to add. Now, if you like your smoothies on a thinner consistency, then you can always run this, blend it, and then determine the consistency, see if you'd like to add some more water after that. So from there, we are going to blend. Look at this pretty green color coming from the kale. It's almost too pretty to drink, but we are going to drink it. As you saw, we added a variety of ingredients, from the kale to the plant-based yogurt to the chia seeds to the pineapple. And each one of these ingredients brings its own set of nutrients, from fiber to plant-based protein to healthy plant-based fats. What's great about a smoothie is that you can easily disguise difficult to get ingredients like bitter greens by adding some fruit. And the good thing is that you don't need a lot of fruit. A little bit of fruit goes a long way when it comes to making a smoothie delicious. What's more, if you're adding other ingredients that are high in protein and fiber and plant-based fat like chia seeds, or you can add a nut or seed butter to this, you're raising the protein, fiber, and healthy fat content and lowering the natural sugar content. So you're still getting energy from the natural sugar, but you're getting these other nutrients that are going to help to keep you energized and satisfied from this smoothie. So if you decide to make it, please let me know. I can't wait to hear about your experience. I'm Nicole D'Andrea Russert, Food Revolution Network's dietitian and recipe developer, and join in tomorrow where we will be making a spicy peanut, tofu, and broccoli dish.